Good evening, everyone. In this video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make our files secured. Yes, those files stored in our device or in memory card. Yes, because sometimes, guys, when I open my Facebook application, I noticed Lolo M suggested a good video to produce daw a good story and a good picture to be posted. So which means Lolo M has the access to my files in my what you call this in my mobile and in my device. So I search, guys, how to what you call this how to secure our files. Even Meta could not what you call this access anymore. Yes. So in a minute I'll be showing you guys the steps. Ayan. So the first step, guys, is to go to our profile. Then we have to select settings and privacy. Yes. Settings and privacy. Then afterwards, let's click what's the next we click? Settings. Settings, guys, dyan. Then afterwards, let's select camera roll sharing suggestion. Yan kasi nagbibigay kay Meta ng right or the access para mawala, guys, atin siyang atin siyang i-close, atin siyang move to the right lang siya, guys. Ganun lang. Yes. I-unlock lang natin. I-lock lang siya. Para si Meta, wala nang karapatan na magbukas-bukas ng ating mga files kasi, di ba, yung mga secret files there should be stored and be